going back to N8N, this is a very powerful system, as we're going to see, because the fact that we can streamline and add all of these types of integrations to it so seamlessly makes it a very beautiful workflow to build and very powerful to do things in finance, HR, marketing, engineering, DevOps, AI, and we're going to be playing with a bunch of these things. Let's stop there for now. What I want you to do before I go into in the next lesson, where we're going to take a look specifically at N8N for AI agents, I want you to at least make an account. So you want to click on Get Started, set up your account, go through the process, put your name. You can try it for free. You're going to get 14 days for free. That should be plenty of time to go through this course. After that, it's quite, you can pay like, I don't know, I think it's like maybe 10 bucks or something for a month, and then cancel it if you're going to take longer to go through this course. But if you're doing it all in one shot, you can just do it that way. You could always, of course, just wait, cancel, and then do it for those days when you know you're going to have enough time to go through this course. Okay? So make an account. Once you have an account, you can log in, put in your account name, and click on Sign In. It should already be hooked up. If you do it through Auth0 with Gmail through a third party, then you don't even have to. It's going to check and cache and then sign you in automatically, which is great. So you should get to the project overview workflow. So this is a great way to stop. Let's stop here, make an account. Once you're set up, you should go into the dashboard. I'm in the workflow right now, so it might not look exactly like this, but just to show you, it'll take you to this homepage. Okay, so we'll stop here, and in the next lesson, let's talk about, by the way, you're not going to see these because these are just some projects, because we're going to build our own. But in the next lesson, we're going to talk about what N8N does for AI agents. And after that, enough with the lecturing and the blah, blah, blah. And we're going to get into building this project together. And as we build these AI agents together and see how the workflow works, I believe this is the best way for you to fully understand and grasp what the magnitude of capability is with AI agents. So that's it, guys, for now. See you in the next lesson. Once you're ready to dive in, we'll get to the next step. Bye-bye.